Hello, welcome back to Tips and Time Savers. I'm Danny Rocks. In today's lesson, I'm going to demonstrate a great tip. A tip guaranteed to save you time and simplify your data lookups. What are data lookups? Data lookups use functions such as VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, or match. Before you know this tip, if you were asked a simple question such as how much did we sell in region 2 during week 16, you would write a fairly complex formula using the index and the match functions. Is there an easier way? Yes, if we use name ranges and the intersection operator, the space, we can return the same result. Let me demonstrate. First, make sure that you have created name ranges, in this case regions for our columns and weeks for our rows. Then, very simply, write a formula that will reference the name range but use the intersection operator, the space. So we write equals name range region 2, intersection operator, space, week 16, and it will look down the name range region and across for the week, and when it finds the intersection, it returns the value. Let's put this into practice. Here we have a simple data set. Our first step is to create names for the ranges. So select the data set, go to Insert, Name, Create, because we want to use the labels in the top row and the left column. Okay, we now have name ranges. So our question is, what were our sales in the East region during June? Equals East for the region, space, which is our intersection operator, and June. Hit enter, and there's our answer. In the East region during June, 4,148. It's that simple. We can also use this in calculations. So for example, if we want to find what is the result of the equals West April plus, and again I'm using a different operator plus, but I'm using the space operator, and I want to find East August. So you see the space operator, and there's our result. Equals West space April. We're using the space as our intersection operator. Another operator, the plus sign, East space is the intersection operator, August. Really, it's that simple. When we create names that have spaces in between, Excel, when we use Insert, Name, Create, will automatically supply an underscore. So over here we see that for the product, it's product underscore 1. So now when we want to see how much of product 6 did we sell in quarter 3, equals product underscore 6. Now notice that when I type in my name ranges, I type them in lowercase. They're actually named using an initial cap, but this is a great way. If we have an error, the first thing we should look for, did Excel properly capitalize our name? If it didn't, then we typed our name in incorrectly. So product 6, the intersection operator, which is the space, quarter underscore 3. And again, notice that I use lowercase, and there's our answer. All right, let's put this to one more application. We want to be able to find a budget for December 7th. First, create our names for the ranges in the rows and the columns. Insert, Name, Create. Yes, and now I don't have to be in this worksheet. If I want to find Division 6 actual, let's come back here and say equals Division underscore 6, intersection operator, space, actual. There's our answer. So now you've learned how to create simple intersection operators to return the result that formerly you had to use the index and match functions. I'll see you in the next lesson.